What's up everybody? Straight punches beats looping punches all the time और ये है उसकी बड़ी एग्जाम्पल. Kamaru Usman knocks out Jorge Masvidal in the second round and become the first man to knock out Masvidal in his entire professional career. In this fight, a lot of people believed that Masvidal was gonna be Usman's biggest challenge, but man, Usman made it look easy. Since Usman became champion, he is getting better every day at a rapid pace. Before he was training at the same gym, he could not develop new skills, new fundamental for his game. But training with Trevor Whitman and going into a new camp, he is developing new skills that he wouldn't have learned at his old gym. He picked out a weakness, notice how he did it. Usman has two big weapons in the entire fight, the jab and the right straight. Simplest punches a person can throw, the basic fundamentals, the basic of all basic. Whenever he threw the jab, you see Jorge always attempt to parry it with his right hand, and he bring down his left hand in order to counter Usman with a left hook. When you bring your left hand down like this, it creates an opening down the center, which Usman uses in the second round. So the right parry to knocks away Usman jab, and ultimately as Usman is moving forward with a jab, he is gonna run into a left hook. It caught Usman a couple of times, but it also got Masvidal in trouble before he got knocked out. So notice here, Usman attacks with jab, Jorge parries it with right hand and drop his left hand to counter Usman with his left hook, and actually it grazes Usman with it. It was a confidence weapon for Jorge because he was using it from the beginning of the fight till the point he got knocked out. Whenever Usman threw a jab, he always took a big step forward and Masvidal took a big step backward. For the adjustment, Usman took two steps forward. After that, Usman threw a jab. Jorge parries it with the right hand and bring down his left, looking for the counter. But at that moment, Usman got the distance for his right straight. Now Usman reaches out and grabs Jorge's right hand and comes down with a straight right cross. Masvidal was looking to counter it with a left hook, but straight punch beat looping punch, and this is what got Masvidal knocked out. He took the punch with full force, 100% power on the chin. You cannot take a punch on the chin with 100% power. It's not possible. So that's it everybody. This was the breakdown of the fight. I'm not the fan of Kamaru Usman, but man, he uses his technique, his fundamental, basic fundamentals so good. This combination made me a fan. Usman uses basic fundamentals to knock out Jorge Masvidal, who is known to be the better boxer. Here is the fun part. Jorge Masvidal has been knocked down by the same punch three times in his career before his knockout to Usman. He has been knocked down by the same punch 2004, 2008, 2014, but those guys was not as powerful as Usman. Those guys caught Masvidal clean on the chin, but he took the punch. He survived and he came back. But Usman caught him with the full power and knocked him out clean. Credit to Jorge, man. He took this loss like a champion. He made no excuses for it. After the fight, Jorge said that Usman caught him with a perfect shot. He won this fight fair and square. Now, what's next for Jorge? Jorge manager Abraham Kawa said that they are looking for a new opponent. The new opponent either going to be Nick Diaz or Kobe Covington. Both are big fight. So that's it, guys. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel.